If you have been learning English for months or even years, but you are still afraid to speak, then this video is for you. Today, I'll share the 7 simple habits that helped me improve my English speaking skills. I didn't grow up in an English speaking family. I grew up in a Bhojpuri-speaking environment. So I know exactly how difficult this journey can be. The good news, you don't need to be talented. You just need the right habits. Hello everyone, Radhe Radhe. My name is Arvind and welcome to my channel, The Develop Mind. If you want to improve your English speaking skills with simple daily habits, you are in the right place. Let's begin. Habit 1. Think in simple English. Don't translate every sentences. Instead of thinking, मैं पानी पीना चाहता हूँ, think directly, I want water. Start with very small sentences. What happens? Your brain becomes faster every day. Habit 2. Speak every day. Don't wait until your English is perfect. Speak just 5 minutes every day. If you can speak more than that, then that would be wonderful. But you must speak at least 5 minutes every day. Describe your room, your daily routine, your house. Because fluency comes from speaking, not only reading. Habit 3. Read aloud. Take any simple English articles or story, read it aloud. This improves your pronunciation, confidence and fluency. And don't worry about sounding perfect. Just keep reading. Habit 4. Learn phrases, not just words. Instead of memorizing words like happy, sad, beautiful, learn the full phrases. For example, I'm happy to help. She is looking sad. The painting is beautiful. What happens doing this? Your English becomes more natural. Habit 5. Listen every single day. Listen to English every day. Even 10 minutes helps. If you can listen more than that, then that would be great. But at least you should listen 10 minutes every day. Listen to podcasts, interviews, or short English videos. Because your ears learn before your mouth speaks. Habit 6. Stop comparing yourself. Don't compare yourself with fluent speakers. Compare yourself with the person you were yesterday. Because small progress every day creates big results. Habit 7. Be consistent. Learn English is like going to the gym. One workout doesn't change your body. So one English lesson won't make you fluent. But daily practice changes everything. Even 15 minutes every day is enough. Remember, English is not difficult. It simply requires consistency. If I could improve my English after growing up in a Bhojpuri-speaking family, you can improve yours too. Start with just one habit today. Don't try all 7 at once. If this video helped you, please subscribe the channel, like and share with others. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Radhe Radhe.